Replacing background while using HDRI for lighting. This is my HDRI. I want to affiliate what I want to light, and now I want to remove it and replace it with something else. So I first of all have to make this transparent. So you go to render properties here, and then you come to film, and then you choose transparent. So that makes the background transparent because we want to put something else there. And then one thing you can do, I would suggest you go to render and already render your image. So when it's done, you can now come here, and then let's go to Compositor, or we come here and go to Compositor. Now when you come to the Compositor, this is what you are going to see. If you don't see, then come here and take here use notes, because normally when you open it, this is not there, it's empty. So when you press use notes, then it will give you this. Now one thing is, we want to see what is here, maybe bigger here, so you go to backdrop, just for us to be able to see what we are doing. Now the next thing we will do is that we need to put a viewer here so we can see this thing here. So we can, if you have node wrangler, you can just go to shift control and press this, and you get a viewer. If you don't have that add-on, which you can do easily by going to edit, preferences, and add on, and then you choose when you come to add on here, you can write node wrangler here, and then you just tick it. Okay, but other than that, if you don't want to add that on, you can just go to search, come here, add, and then in the search menu here you type viewer to get this here. And then with this viewer there, you see that now my image is at the background here. You can see the image, whatever I have here. Now what we want to do actually is to replace the background. So we need first, then the thing we would need is, we would need some kind of alpha over. So choose alpha over and bring it here. Now the moment you insert it, you see this change, but we want to also see what we rendered. And now we are not seeing it, we are just seeing this color here. So the best thing for you to do is to switch this. When you switch this, you see that. So this is how you will see what is rendered, because to change the background, you see this one here is white. You can change it to whichever color you want. If you want it blue, if you want any other color. Now in case you would prefer, let me arrange the thing a bit good. In case you would prefer to have an image, you can easily put an image in it instead of this color here. So because here you can change colors and all that, but maybe you want an image. So what you will do is that you need to add an image. You can come to image, or just type in the search image. You type in the search image, and then you choose what is offered to you. This is the image thing. So you can now come here and choose any image at all you want. I mean, I don't know what to even choose. I can choose any image. Let's see here. I come here. Let's see, downloads. I downloaded some images from, let's see, what will I replace it with? I replace it with this, for example, and then yeah, I have to connect it for it to be shown. and then you see now it's rendered in nicely. So I've changed the image. So this is what I wanted to show you. If this helped you in any way, help me by subscribing to my channel or giving the video a like. Thank you. Bye.